Good morning. Today I want to talk to you about lighting on a car, headlights to be specific, low beams, high beams. And to be more specific, I'm going to talk about the Subaru Impreza Sport with what we thought were pretty cool lights when my wife bought the car. So she has LED adaptive lighting, which means that, when you turn the car on, the lights move around a bit center. And if you turn the wheel, they turn, they go back and forth and follow you. So we thought that was a cool feature when we bought the car. And I'm sure a lot of people do when they look at it. And there's other brands that make LED lighting. And up until now, I thought it was pretty cool. Not anymore. So on the weekend, the headlights on the driver's side burned out. Simple fix, right? Headlights gone, you go to the store, you buy a headlight. No big deal. We do it all the time, or I've done it all the time since I've started driving in the 70s, 1970s. I don't want to age myself, but yeah, I was driving then. And basically, you buy a light bulb. So that's what we did. We looked at the manual, and I suppose the manual had the specifications for all the different models of Imprezas, except for the one that had the LED lighting. So it called for an H11 bulb. So we went out and we bought H11 bulbs at $60. We drove Canadian Tire. We brought the car in the garage and I go to change the light bulb and I can't find a place where the light bulb comes out. This is a very simple thing in most cars, really. You just, unplug it and you unscrew the light bulb, take it out, put the new one in, avoid touching the light. Yes, we all know that. And then plug it back, good to go. Now, some of the newer cars, and again, I don't understand why, but some of the newer cars put a lot of plastic in the way. So yeah, it takes more time. It means I'm doing a whole lot of bolts and taking a whole lot of plastic. And in the case of my Chevy Volt, I looked at it, what to do to change a light bulb, and I literally have to take the wheel well off, and the front bumper has to come down to get to the light bulb. But it's probably 15 bolts, screws. So it's a do-it-yourself job if you like, or you bring it to the garage, and it's probably going to cost you $100. Okay, but it's a light bulb. It's a light. My wife's car, okay, my wife's car just came out of the garage because with the adaptive lighting, they don't change the light bulb. They can't change the light bulb. There's no light bulb that you can access. So what do they need to do? They need to change the whole thing. They need to change this whole unit, okay? This complete unit has to be changed. Really? 2,100 and some odd dollars to change this light. So, like, I ask, what kind of madness is this? The car has a value of $12,000, and two headlights after 7 years are going to cost $4,300. Like, what engineer thought that this would be a good idea? Tell me. I don't understand where we're going with this. And I think, if you start looking at some of the newer cars, it's probably worse, So what do you do? I mean, they're basically telling you to buy the car, take the warranty, and I don't even know if the LED is under warranty after the first 3 years, but if it's part of the extended warranty or not. But in either case, if you're buying a used car, especially if you're buying a used car and you see this really nice Subaru Impreza and you go, wow, that's a good deal, check if it's got LED lighting, because what you want is H11s or something similar where you can go in, unplug it, plug it in, and in some cases, like I said, some of the newer cars, again, I think it's ridiculous, make a whole lot of plastic surrounding it to get to the light, but at least that's doable. And the light bulb costs $30 each, but 2,100 Canadian dollars. 2,100 Canadian dollars. Is that total madness? Like, am I that old? Am I, I remember my grandfather, telling me, when I went to Jamaica, and he goes, "Why'd you spend all that money on going to Jamaica? Don't we have sun here? Don't we have oceans here?" And I couldn't explain to him why I wanted to go to Jamaica on my vacation. But I guess it's the same. Can somebody explain to me why, when the headlight goes, we need to change this whole thing for 2000? Why can't we just have an access point to change the LED light? No sense. So that's my ramble for today. If you think this is madness, please share this video. Get it out there. Somebody's got to wake up and smell the coffee. This is just wrong. Don't you think? Do you agree? Share this video.